After the ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan, the situation at the districts at the border is now getting normal. As you can see, this is the Jaisalmer market and Jaisalmer district, which was totally deserted yesterday. But after the ceasefire agreement, now people are getting back on streets. The situations are getting normal. The streets which were deserted yesterday, the streets which were empty yesterday, people were in their houses now because the administration has said that there is no alert. So now people are stepping out of their houses. They are buying vegetables, buying their household items, and the general stores, the vegetable market is open. Yesterday, a precautionary blackout was imposed in the district, which started around at 8:30 p.m. and ended today in the Sunday morning at 6 a.m. But after that blackout, the situation is normal because the market was totally closed down yesterday. Now people are coming out to take another things. Though the local authorities, the local police and army here also are constantly keeping an eye and monitoring the situation here. Apart from that, precautionary measures to ensure safety for the citizens of Jaisalmer and the civilians is constantly being taken out. You can see there's a vegetable shop which is opened after like around 2 to 3 days. भैया कितने दिन बाद खुली दुकान?
2-3 दिन बाद खुली है, इसलिए ज़्यादा भीड़ है। 2-3 दिन में लोग आ ही नहीं रहे थे, तो आज खुलने से एकदम अचानक भीड़ होगी। लोग घरेलू सामान ले जा रहे हैं, इसलिए ज़्यादा भीड़ इसलिए है।
तो मतलब अभी पूरा मार्केट खुल गया है?
आज पूरा मार्केट खुला है, इसलिए ज़्यादा भीड़ है अचानक।
अच्छा, कल पूरा मार्केट?
हाँ, कल पूरा मार्केट बंद था। कल परसों भी हाफ दिन था, आज पूरा मार्केट खुलने से अचानक लोग आ गए हैं।
He's saying that now today because the whole market is opened after around 2 days, so people are coming here and buying stuff for their houses. But this shows that now the situation is getting normal. This shows that now things are getting normal and everything is returning back to where it was. All you can see women, kids are now on the streets doing their work which they used to do daily, but because the situation was not like that 2-3 days before, but now there's an agreement and now they are saying that there will be peace after the ceasefire. So right now, though all the local authorities and district administration are ensuring all the safety measures, that's why there was a precautionary blackout yesterday. And now also at the squares, all the local police are there which are monitoring the situation. Apart from that, all the ambulances, the hospitals and the fire brigade teams are on alert because though the situation is normal, but still the local authorities are on alert due to the situation which was previously seen. With camera person Amrish from Jaisalmer, Amritanshi Joshi for India Today.